You might think restarting your computer and shutting it down do the exact same thing, but in modern versions of Windows, they actually don't. And this is one of the reasons so many people say their computer never seems to fully fix the problem, or performance issues never seem to go away when they think they're rebooting, but they're actually shutting down. And today, we're going to talk about that. Now, I've covered this before, but I still see way too many people shutting down their computers instead of restarting them. So here we go again. But before we jump into that, if you enjoy simple tech tips and helpful computer advice, make sure to drop down below and hit that like and subscribe so you never miss future videos brought to you from us here at My Computer Works. Thank you, and now let's jump into why restarting versus shutdowns are different and when you should use each one. Okay, so learning moment for everybody. When you shut down your computer, what happens? Most people can't answer that question. Well, I'm going to tell you today. Windows actually saves part of the operating system into a special file. This is what happens when you shut down. So it can start faster the next time you turn it on. So that means when you power your computer back on, Windows is actually loading that saved state instead of starting completely fresh. This helps your computer boot faster, this is true, but it also means some problems don't fully clear out. When you restart your computer, Windows does something a little bit different. A restart performs a full system reboot, meaning Windows completely reloads the operating system, the drivers, and system processes from scratch. This clears temporary glitches, stuck processes, memory issues, and software conflicts that build up over time. That's why restarting your computer is one of the most effective troubleshooting steps for things like programs freezing, slow performance, network issues, printer problems, or if software updates are just not finishing. In many cases, in fact, Windows needs that restart to fully update, to properly install, because the system needs to reload the core components to do so. So, as a general rule, it's a good idea to go ahead and restart your computer every few days. That's 2 to 3 days, do a reboot, just make it a regular thing. Now, there are times when shutting down makes sense. For example, if you're not going to use the computer for a while, maybe you're going on vacation, shutting it down can save power and actually reduce wear on the system, so it's going to last longer. But if your computer is slow, buggy, or something's just not working right, a restart is always the better choice. So remember, if something is not working correctly, don't just shut it down, and definitely don't use the button. Do a restart and do it the right way. Do it from the start menu. Go down to the start menu, go to your power, and hit restart. From the UI is always safer than holding down the button or pressing the button. That's when you're gonna hurt your computer, or issues could actually occur from that. You don't want to be shutting down your machine. That's called a hard shutdown. We talk a lot about that in the other video if you want to check that out. And if this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop down below, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next tech tip.